Ano ang sabi? Well, it's July, second half of the year na. Kaya eto tayo, babalik na tayo sa pag-feature naman ng mga scooters, mga motor na we all love to ride and talk about. Parte yan ng buhay natin araw-araw. And the first one we have in store for you is this one, Maxi scooter in comfort, in ride quality, in feel, and definitely value for money. Ang laki ng storage, ang ganda ng windshield, and the best part about it, it costs less than a Honda ADV. Ito po ang Kymco Dink S. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Well, as what we always do, we'll break it down sa kanyang design, features, powertrain niya, at pag-usapan natin why I feel this is one of the underrated touring scooters that is available right now on a very, very nice price. Una, well, let's talk about the design. The Dink S, right away makikita mo na it doesn't try to be looking so sporty. Talagang full maxi scooter ang character niya. Full body fairings, ayan, ang kapal, ang ganda. Tall adjustable windshield at alam ko po meron pong kasama itong top box na standard. Pag bibili nyo, not so sure kung ganyan pa rin po ang setup ngayon. Pag tinignan nyo po siya sa kabuuan, atras ka lang ng konti, mga 1 metro, titigan nyo siya. It just look very nice, expensive maxi scooter. Up front, full LED headlights. May DRLs po yan. Malinis, modern, and bright looking. Lalo na sa gabi, ang ganda po nito. Taillights niya, LED rin po. Wheel size po nito is 13. 120 by 70. Sa harap, sa likod naman is 130 by 70. Impression alone, kita naman na talagang stable to. Lalo na sa highway long rides. Talagang kita mo na it's a well-balanced scooter. Sa design, sa engineering. Malapad ang upuan, mahaba. Floorboard niya, kita meron namang gulay board. Pero andun pa rin yung design na pwede mo siyang i-stretch yung mga paa para dun sa maxi scooter ride position or on that long ride. On this one, Kymco really nailed the touring look. It's not aggressive, it's comfortable, and that's mainly what it is all about. Sa features naman, this is where the Dink S starts to make really good sense kasi storage is big. Ayan, I think it's around 30 liters under seat. Pag may top box pa, another 30 liters. On that alone, pag inisip nyo, is 60 liters na kagad ang storage. Talagang sakto siya pang long ride, pang camping, adventure na gagawin mo kasama ang motor na to. Dashboard niya is full LCD. Siyempre, andyan yung speed odometer niya, trip meters, fuel gauge, voltage, engine temperature. Simple lang but it has everything you need to know. May USB charging port, braking, dual disc po to. So, harap-likod, naka-disc brake po yan. And both have ABS in place, diba? Ang ganda po ng position ng kanyang gas tank, ayan. And, keyless po yan. Of course, may hazard lights. Kaya pag inisip mo siya, it's really built for a long ride na marami kang dala. Yung lahat ng halos kailangan mong dalhin, madadala mo sa motor na to. We're talking about now the engine. The Dink S, engine niya is 149.3cc to be exact. Single overhead cam, 4 valves, fuel injected po ito. Of course, liquid cooled, around 13 horsepower, 14 plus Newton meters of torque. Kaya yung setup niya pang touring po talaga ang takbuhan nito. CVT and transmission, and like what I've said, it's tuned in for torque, not top speed. So ano po ba pakiramdam? Well, in the city, smooth siya. Throttle is very linear. Talagang sakto lang na umuusad na saktong-sakto lang. Hindi siya jerky. And when you ride it, sabi ko nga mararamdaman nyo na it's really a well-balanced scooter. It just feels planted. Sa highway, definitely kung mga takbo ang 100, 110, top speed po siguro nito 115 to 120, pero takbuhan na karaniwan, matuli na yung 90 to 100. Kayang-kaya po nito. And on an average, pagkakaalam po natin, fuel consumption niya maybe 35 to 40 kilometers per liter. Depende kung paano mo siya ginagamit. 7 liter po ang kanyang fuel tank. Sa isang full tank, malayo na mararating mo for sure. At hindi na po masama yan sa scooter na ganito ang size. Now, ang tanong, sabi ko nga, matulin ba siya? Well, I will say hindi siya pang bakbakan na siniisip nyo. Well, bottom line is, it is not a racer, it is a touring scooter. Now, sa ride quality naman, this is where this scooter shines kasi suspension is soft, na-absorb niya yung bumps ng maganda, hindi ka masyadong bugbog sa hangin sa mahaba ang biyahe. At it's stable, hindi siya magwiwiggle at high speeds, talagang planted po. Gamayan lang po talaga pag talagang mga masikip, sa traffic, talagang sasanayin mo lang yung sarili mo. You will feel the size of this scooter. Kung may OBR ka, saktong-sakto din po to because the pillion seat is wide, the grab bars are there on the right spot. Talagang mahirap lang siya isingit dahil hindi naman siya yung isang maliit na scooter. Pero syempre, pag-usapan natin pa rin yung a little on the downside niya kasi it's medyo mabigat siya. Not great po para sa mga tight traffic. Resale value kasi parts are not as strong as the Japanese counterparts niya. At yung dealer network niya ay hindi ganun kalaki. And comparing it to an NMAX or ADV 160, you're giving up some brand name, then panalo ka sa storage, touring features, and then it's a Kymco. If it's Kymco, alam naman natin na it's synonymous to very, very high quality scooters na nilalabas nila. Well, ang magandang tanong sa video na to is, para kanino ba ang scooter na to? Well, if you're a rider who basically just loves doing long rides with your friends or alone, you need a lot of storage, malaking bagay sa yung comfort over speed, talaga pong itong scooter na to is something that you really would want to consider. Hindi po siya perfect, but for price, in the features, it gives you so much more, best value for money. Speaking of money, ito po ang pricing ng Kymco Dink S. Sa pagtatapos, palagay ko nasabi ko na yung mga simpleng bagay na dapat i-consider why, bakit ito ang saktong motor para sa'yo. Again, hobby mo ay mag-long ride and you wanna do it on a scooter, you would want to consider this one. It's a really good value for money. Ito po ang Kymco Dink S. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Ride safe. I'll see you on the next one.